Putting a piece of jewelry on your finger and expecting the pounds to just melt away sounds like something out of a fantasy novel. It is the ultimate dream of modern wellness. We want the result without the grind. That is exactly where the Curvelia SlimRing steps into the frame. You have probably seen the ads. They are slick. They are polished. They feature people looking radiant and happy. These videos suggest that this one small change to your daily wardrobe could be the missing piece in your health puzzle. The company talks about how easy it is to use. They mention online ordering and a money-back guarantee. These things are designed to make you feel safe. They want you to think there is zero risk. But we need to look closer at what is actually happening here. There is a massive gap between a product being available for sale and a product actually doing what it says on the tin. Right now, the independent scientific evidence is just not there. No peer-reviewed studies are screaming from the rooftops that a ring can magically alter your metabolism. It is a bold claim. It requires bold evidence. Usually, we just get testimonials instead. Testimonials are tricky. They feel real because they come from real people. But a personal story is not the same thing as a clinical trial. One person might feel better because they started drinking more water at the same time. Another might experience a placebo effect. You cannot bank your health on a stranger's anecdote. This does not mean the product is a flat-out fraud. It exists. It will arrive in the mail. It is a physical object you can hold. However, the gap between it being a real object and a miracle weight loss tool is wide. You have to ask yourself what you are really paying for. Is it a piece of jewelry or a medical breakthrough? If you are looking at that sales page, take a breath. Look past the flashy before and after photos. Check the fine print on those shipping and refund policies. Often these companies make it very hard to actually get your money back once the box is open. Most importantly, remember the basics. A ring cannot replace a solid night of sleep. It cannot replace a walk in the park or a balanced meal. Those things are free. They are also proven to work. If you decide to try this device, do it for the fashion. Do it because you like the look. Just do not expect it to do the heavy lifting for you. True health is a long game. There are no shortcuts that come in a small velvet box. Be a skeptical shopper. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. If something sounds too easy, it usually is. Stay curious. Keep asking questions. Do not let clever marketing override your common sense. We see these trends come and go every few years. They always promise a revolution. They always claim to have found a secret that doctors are hiding. But the secret is usually just good lighting and a clever script. Your body is a complex system. It responds to movement and nourishment. It does not respond to a tiny piece of metal on your hand. If you want to spend your money, do it with your eyes wide open. Do not let the hype cloud your judgment. You deserve results that are based on truth, not just high-end marketing. Take care of your body the old-fashioned way while you wait for the science to catch up with the sales pitch. Stay savvy and stay informed.